Hello, all. My name is Krishnak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, I've been getting this question a lot from past many days. Krish, I really want to become a data analyst. Which business intelligence tool should I focus on? Should I go ahead with Tableau or should I go ahead with Power BI? Right? And if you ask any person, suppose if he is working in Power BI, he'll definitely say Power BI is the best. Or if a person is basically working in Tableau in some specific industries, he will definitely say that try to use Tableau, you know. But in this video, I'm going to discuss about this. I have used both Power BI and Tableau in my previous companies. One of the company that I have extensively worked in Tableau is Honeywell. In 2 to 3 projects, I had to do integration of all the data in the form of reports in Tableau. And in one of the project I did with Power BI. So definitely I will try to discuss about some of the amazing things that I have seen with respect to both Power BI and Tableau. And I'll also show you one amazing survey that was actually done with respect to Tableau and Power BI from among the developers, who are currently working in different companies. And the points that I liked over there, yes, all the points that were discussed. And with respect to that, let's see who was the clear winner. And probably I'll also try to put up my comments like, yes, since I've used that specific part, and what was the experience with respect to that, and who is the clear winner. So definitely make sure that before I continue, you can write down in the comment section which tool, if you have used this, any one of this business intelligence tool, that is Power BI or Tableau, or which one do you like out both of them, right? So, and also make sure that you specify some reasons. That will be pretty much amazing. So let's begin. Okay, if I tell you like which tool had actually come first, so definitely Tableau had actually come first. It was founded in 2003, and right now in 2019, somewhere in 2019, it was acquired by Salesforce. So definitely, if I just talk with respect to the market, how many companies are specifically using Tableau, it will definitely be more than Power BI. Why? Because Power BI was given to the public, or given to the public from Microsoft from 2015. In 2013, it was already founded, it was unveiled, but in 2015, it was introduced into the market, right? So definitely based on this time gap, right, around 12 years kind time gap, right, definitely Tableau will be having a bigger market share. If I talk from the reports, which I will probably just show you in some time, approximately around 30 to 40,000 companies are currently using Tableau. Okay, and if I just talk about percentage, then you can I'll just show you in just a while. Okay, but the most important thing that we really need to focus on is the pricing, right? So if I talk about Tableau cost, like if I'm considering the best license that is available with respect to the Power BI Pro license, okay, which provides almost the same features. In this particular case, Tableau is a little bit costly. Okay, so Tableau is somewhere around $70 per month, whereas Power BI Pro, which almost provides the same functionalities, it is somewhere around $9.99 per month. So, with respect to the cost, definitely Power BI is better. And I have used Power BI, but internal things, right? If I talk about visualization, I'm just giving some of the ideas to you. In terms of customization, Tableau is a winner. Okay, with respect to functionalities, with respect to learning, definitely Power BI is good enough to learn quickly. But as I'm just saying some points to you, let's go ahead and let's try to find out the detailed analysis that was done, and based on that I'll also put up some of my points. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me just share my screen to you all. So let's see. Mm-mm. Okay, perfect. So here you can see there was some survey done from this amazing website called as Thematic. So definitely I'll give the link in the description of this particular video. You can definitely check it out. Let me just zoom in. Okay. So with respect to visualization, you can see analysis of the feedback data shows that Tableau users are more likely to talk about creating data visualization. Power BI users are more likely to mention about reporting and sharing of data. Okay, so definitely if I talk about visualization, Tableau has amazing customizations techniques. Okay, But with respect to reporting, with respect to sharing the data, Power BI is there. But both of them performs in an amazing way. Both of them have enough functionalities. So here you can see with respect to that, with respect to data visualization, reporting, and sharing data, since the percentage is almost same, there is a winner. So winner will be basically tie. Okay. So let's talk about another key advantage that Power BI has. Uh, Over here, you know that Power BI is owned by Microsoft. So 4% of reviewers mention this in their feedback, has great connectivity with other Microsoft products. See, Microsoft has a lot of products, right? In Power BI and Tableau, we have a lot of connectors to connect to different data sources. Now, obviously, if Microsoft is developing this business intelligence tool, so it will be a easy technique to connect to all the data sources that are already available in Microsoft, right? With respect to all the other data sources that are available, right? So definitely over here, the winner is Power BI. Power BI links to Microsoft gives it an edge over the other analytics tool. This is the same thing. I'll tell you in Honeywell why specifically we used Power BI, because over there we were using some Microsoft Azure cloud, and we really needed to find out like we really need to visualize that how much server usage is actually happening, and the plan was that we really need to reduce the server cost. So with respect to that, we were actually creating this reporting tools, and with the help of Power BI. Why specifically we used Power BI over there is that because we could connect with those Azure services quickly. Not only Azure services, guys, with respect to different Microsoft analytics tools that were available, we were able to connect it very much easily. Okay. Now coming to the pricing point, obviously this side I've already told you. My experience is also that if I consider with respect to as a company owner, I'll definitely go with Power BI because the cost is less. Just to do some medium sized projects and all, for bigger projects also Tableau can be a better one. But over here with respect to price, I can definitely say that since two tools are giving the same almost same services, I'm happy to go with Power BI. Okay. Now coming to the next one, ease of usage. Now here I really want to give my own personal experience with respect to the ease of usage. When I was first learning Power BI and when I was first learning Tableau, you know since I was already an experienced data scientist over there, I knew how to do analysis of data, EDA, and all. With respect to understanding the tool quickly, what was the thing that I liked is that I was able to learn in Power BI quickly because the tool was simpler, the options were simpler, and all, right? And similarly in Tableau, I had to really struggle a little bit. I'm not saying that it was very difficult, but understand this ease of usage is usually done with respect to a person who is first time seeing the tool and first time trying to learn things. Okay, so definitely over here also I feel Power BI is better. So I don't know what. Okay, here it shows winner is Power BI because again this is the survey that is scored, and definitely I liked the way of learning the tool. Yeah, the tool may not look very fancy, but with respect to learning, I definitely like Power BI. One more was with respect to training, uh, training curve. So here you can see for those who need to get started quickly and are not data analysts, Power BI is the logical choice. So if you're probably from a non-technical background and if you're starting to learn, unless and until your company is forcing you to do learn in Tableau, I think Power BI is the tool that you should go ahead with. Now, this is the most important thing, guys. See, integration. Both SaaS product can easily integrate with popular third-party sources, allowing you to easily import data from SAP, Google Analytics, MySQL, and other database. When it comes to integration, Power BI again come out on top with 20 to 30 percentage of the reviews mentioning them. Power BIs are usually are especially like to mention Office 365, SQL, R integration, and many more things. So definitely over here you'll be able to see the winner is Power BI. And with respect to speed, also, usually they say that Power BI works well for a limited size of data, but Tableau, even though the data set is very huge, it will definitely work like that in a better way. So, there, with respect to the size of the data, Tableau is better, but here, with respect to the speed, many people are saying that Power BI is better. Features working with multiple data sources, definitely over here Power BI will definitely come. Here in customization, as I said, customization is already there. Tableau has some amazing customization when compared to Power BI. So here you can see winner is Tableau. Filtering option, both of them has, but over here I don't understand why Power BI is the winner. With respect to artificial intelligence and machine learning, both of them has some good options with respect to machine learning. One example I'll tell you, that if I just have a data set, and if I there is a Q&A section in Power BI, if you just go and write your queries, automatically you'll be able to see the results. Similarly, in Tableau also you have that option is something called as, see, Power BI Q&A. Tableau has some ask data feature. Okay, so here you can basically perform the same function that you can actually do in the Q&A. So over here you can see the tie is there. Okay, community forums, definitely the tool is quite long, quite older. Tableau is quite older, so definitely the community session will be quite huge. But Power BI is taking it as a good speed, right? So yes, this was some of the things that I really wanted to discuss. Please do let me know that what is your interest. See, I've worked in both of them, and today also many people will say that, Krish, I think you're telling more towards Power BI. I'm just talking about the usage. I'm talking about various data sources. I'm talking about if I am a fresher, I want to quickly learn something as a data analyst, which tool should I apply for, right? Or which tool should I go for? So here I think Power BI has an upper edge when compared to Tableau. So just let me know. It's just a thought, guys. It may change again. It may be based on interest. Let me know what is your decision. I hope you like this particular video. This was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Bye bye.